Did you know that certain foods could be harming your health more than you realize? While many of us focus on eating healthy, there are some everyday foods you should think twice about before putting them on your plate. In today's video, we will look into 5 foods you should never eat and why. From hidden ingredients to long-term health risk. These foods may surprise you. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will know which foods to avoid to keep yourself feeling your best. Let's dive in. Food number 1, processed meat. Let's start with processed meats. Think bacon, hot dogs, and deli meat, often sausages. These might be tasty and convenient, but they are also loaded with harmful preservatives like nitrates and nitrites. Studies have shown that regularly consuming processed meats can increase your risk of cancer, particularly colon cancer. They are also high in unhealthy fats and sodium, which can raise your cholesterol levels and lead to heart disease over time. Not only that, but these meats are often cooked at high temperatures, which can produce harmful compounds called heterocyclic amines, further raising cancer risk. If you're craving that meaty flavor, go for lean cuts of unprocessed meats like chicken or chicken breast, turkey, or plant-based alternatives. Next on the list are sugary drinks. We're talking about sodas, energy drinks, sweetened teas, and even some fruit juices. These beverages are loaded with added sugars, sometimes more than you should have in an entire day, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can result in insulin resistance, increasing your risk for type 2 diabetes and obesity. But it doesn't stop there. Sugary drinks also contribute to fatty liver disease, poor dental health, and even an increased risk of heart disease. The shocking part: 1 can of soda can contain up to 40 grams of sugar. Yes, you heard right. 1 can of soda can contain up to 40 grams of sugar. That's more than the recommended daily limit for most adults. Instead, reach for water, unsweetened teas, or sparkling water with a slice of lemon for a healthier alternative. Third on our list is artificial trans fats. These fats are found in many baked goods, margarine, and fast foods, created through a process called hydrogenation. Trans fats increase the shelf life of products, but have devastating effects on your health. Studies have consistently shown that trans fat raises your bad LDL cholesterol while lowering good HDL cholesterol, leading to clogged arteries and a higher risk of heart attacks and strokes. In fact, trans fats are so dangerous that many countries have banned their use in food, but in some places, they can still sneak into processed snacks and frozen meals. Be sure to check your labels for partially hydrogenated oils and stay clear of any product that lists it as an ingredient. Let's talk about refined grains, which is the 4th food you need to avoid. Refined grains such as white bread, white rice, pasta, and many breakfast cereals fall into this category. The refining process strips their grains of their fiber. The refining process strips these grains of their fiber, vitamins, and minerals, leaving you with empty carbs that offer little nutritional value. When you eat refined grains, your body breaks them down quickly, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Over time, These blood sugar spikes can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Not to mention, refined grains can leave you feeling hungry shortly after eating, which can lead to overeating. Try swapping out refined grains for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, or whole wheat products for a more balanced and satisfying meal. Finally, let's talk about artificial sweeteners, which is the fifth food you need to avoid. These are found in diet or sugar-free products like sodas, candies, and desserts. While they are marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin have been linked to a variety of health concerns. Research suggests that artificial sweeteners can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, which plays a crucial role in your metabolism and immune system. Some studies even suggest a potential link to weight gain, headaches, and an increased risk of certain cancers. So while you might think you're making a healthier choice by opting for diet products, you could be doing more harm than good. If you need to satisfy your sweet tooth, try natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or stevia, but always in moderation. Now that you know the 5 foods you should never eat, it's time to make better choices for your health. Remember, it's not just about cutting these foods out, but replacing them with healthier alternatives that nourish your body and support your long-term well-being. Small changes can make a big difference over time. So start today by rethinking what's on your plate. Have you already removed any of these foods from your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health tips for living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching and stay healthy. God bless you. And until next time, take good care of yourself and remain healthy. Bye for now.